Ladies and gentlemen, I have been asked to acquaint you with the activities of the Kalgidar Trust. Well, the trust was founded in 1965, about 10 decades after it was envisioned by our founding father, Sant Atar Singh Ji. His disciple, Sant Teja Singh Ji, discovered this place in 1956 and established the trust in 1965. Sant Atar Singh Ji was a great educationist, although he himself had not had any formal education. But such was his love for education, such was his clarity of vision, that he had envisioned at that time in 1900, around 1900, that scientific education of the highest quality was important to be imparted to the youngsters so that they are not left behind. But he also had the intuition, the divine vision, that if we impart only scientific education bereft of all values, well, we might produce individuals who would be inimical to the existence of mankind as such. Therefore, he had prophesied, he had proposed, he started the concept of value-based education. Going further on that, the Kalgidar Trust has deliberated at depth as to what education is all about. We have huge manuals, manuscripts, books written on the topic of education. Being educated all about. We are of the firm opinion that if we just impart skills of any kind to an individual, it is merely imparting literacy. A person is literate if he has skills in science, if he has skills in nursing, if he has skills in medicine, if he has skills related to the knowledge of history. We would call him educated if he uses these skills for the welfare of humanity, for the welfare of mankind. Therefore, we have gone a step beyond what normally is being understood by being educated or being literate. We say that one is educated if one uses one's knowledge for the benefit of mankind. And value-based education is a step ahead, where in addition to using your knowledge for the benefit of mankind, one also imparts or learns values. Those sterling qualities which distinguish ordinary mortals from others. I mean to say the quality of integrity, honesty, commitment, dedication, sincerity, and above all, compassion in our hearts. Being in the nursing profession, I would request, I would exhort, I would strongly recommend all the young budding nursing professionals here that as a nurse, it is extremely important that we develop that uncanny ability to feel and perceive the pain of our patients. We must first learn to be humane and then think of the profession. Minus the compassion, minus the human values, minus the love in your hearts, you would never do justice to your profession. I would also request the teachers, let them spare a minute each every day. In addition to the skill they are imparting, they must tell the young girls and boys that the importance of having compassion and love for a nurse. With these few words, I would just briefly tell you that the trust, the Kalgida Trust is involved mainly in the field of education. Our philanthropic work is in the field of education. We have established 129 schools and 2 universities. The hallmark of each of these institutions is to impart value-based education to the needy rural students so that they find themselves equal to their urban counterparts and lead a fulfilling life contributing to the society. I hope that during the deliberations in this very active and useful topic of today regarding gynecological and obstetric practice, we get enriched and find some innovative ways in solving the problems, especially of the rural women, the needs of the rural ladies. I hope that during your stay here, you get enriched both in terms of professional as well as spiritual attainments. Thank you very much, please, for being here. Thank you.